Okay.
How's it look?
Here's an unboxing video. Good?
You need some front lighting, Lainey.
Right, let me turn.
How about you do it this way? Or take your chair over. Here, let's move your chair. Kiddo. Kiddo. Move your chair.
Okay.
Come on, move your chair over. No, I'm saying we gotta move her chair over.
Why are you yelling?
I'm not yelling.
Why are you
I'm not yelling.
In 12 minutes, you're gonna yell.
We're gonna do an unboxing video. Just we will be here later. Where is it?
Oops, whoops, whoops.
I think I hear it coming.
Your unboxing cannot take very long. You have 10 minutes to unbox.
What? Why?
Is it recording?
So then I'm
Yeah.
confiscating that table.
Yeah, because then you gotta eat lunch, bro.
Just hurry up! I got 10 minutes.
Yeah, Josephina. I think she's upstairs, kid.
Josephina! Hey, no!
Oh. Josephina.
Vita! Vita!
Okay, here I'm coming.
She cooking?
Josephine!
Or did you come here to see
Josephine!
W?
Why would he be dead? I heard thumping. This video might be less than 10 minutes, even though I had it already for over in half an hour.
Perhaps she's passed away.
I hear her. You have 10 minutes to unbox. Finally. Okay, let's start the video. See, we've got
I think so, because I haven't opened anything.
Mike and Eggs, our Barbie mystery accessories, and a Polly Pocket fancy. Hi, guys. Excuse me, I started to be like. I'm Wednesday. No, you're not. You're Josephine Chapazia. Okay, let's start by. We can pretend.
Try all these dang codes.
Let's start with the Polly Pocket Sand Secrets. And I'm going to start with this. You both got the same these. Josephine's is more thick. Mine's like thin. I believe that there's either a sunglasses, necklace, and shirt. Those are all clean items. Let's start with this one. So there's like a little show. So let's take this that we pulled a bunch. Oh, that. Here we have. Oh, it's a little desert theme thing. Ooh, what's a little desert theme thing? So we've got the collector's guide that we'll use later. Got the glass. So look, it's set up. It's all set up. The desert theme thing. And then this is supposed to be the sand. I got this in. Okay. It must be if you're a toddler watching this, get an adult for help. So there's actually some scissors. Yeah, like I do? Yeah. You're a 4-year-old kid. Still pretty young though. What's in this? Oh, it's yellow sand. And dirty yellow thing. So look, we got these. got in the bag. Where's my doll? Where's my doll? There's something in the bag. What is it? Oh, we've got whoever this girl is, this purple hair girl. Whoever that purple hair girl is. And then we gotta we gotta spread this in. Spread this in. Put the cacti there. Out. I'm gonna cut this connection, guys. Cut the connection. No! Hey! Stop! Stop! You're too young. You must be over 6. You must be over 6 to learn how these things. Babies can only not do this. Babies can like that. Yeah. She's not very bendable. I think she can sit on the llama. Oh, she sits on the llama. This is riding a little llama. So now let's open it. Let's get started. I believe it's either sunglasses, necklace, or a shirt. Or a bag. Got my. The purse will make it pop up. I think you got a purse. Or some rolled up shirt. I think. Oh, I've got a shirt. Oh, shirt. It's a cute-colored shirt. And here's the set. Here's my Polly Pocket set. Cool, right? Cool, right? And then this is the box for things. Yeah, I get it. You got like little. You got. Ooh! Yeah. Okay. Wow! 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 You got a bracelet. You got a little bracelet. Sunglasses. Yeah, and this one. Oh, it's a watch. Cool. Put it on. Dun dun dun. Purse. Why is it dun dun dun? Purse. Well, I knew you got a purse. I knew you get a purse from that. It's so puffed up or something. It's so puffed up. So I got a shirt. She got a purse. Okay, now I'm going to go get my doll. Mom, I'm recording. Maybe kids can use. Mom, I don't want you swearing because it could be heard in the background. So there's the owl. There you got a salamander. Oh. Oh, the cat's moving. Is it wait? Dude, what the heck? Look at the way the cat is. Hello, how's it? It's like a sunny boy. It's so. Down there, Fossil. Oh, it's starting to get dark. Today we got the little llama. Oh. Look, here we have this weird purple haired Polly Pocket. Yeah. Wait, what's that? I think. Oh, it's from the Barbie. It's from the Barbie. Look. Okay. Where's my one? Oh, I got the same. Look what we've got. It's the same image. I can't believe we got an image. We got a picture. Cool. And her leg. You see his weird purple hair and a white shirt. Yep, this is the collector's guide. I think she's Indian. I think she's Indian, guys. Yes, this is the collector's guide. So I got this one. What? How do you get a collector's guide on that? Oh. I got this little purse. I got that. Oh, it's got socks, so it's. Wait. Well, mine isn't. Wait. If mine comes, I'm looking for a purple. See, guys, this is minier than the adult. Let me try to. I know. So here we have the weird purple-haired skirt with green pants, white shirt. I think she's Indian, just with purple hair and her legs don't bend that much. This other part you can see. Also, heat up stick. So where the heck is Polly Stick? We have a new member to Polly Pocket Class. Cool. And then she rides on the llama thing. And you could build her. Let me take. It's like an hour. Let me. I got all the sand. Got the kinetic sand now. Let's see if we can build her out of the thing. I don't know. We did it. Maybe because what's it? Oh, it's not pants. This is part of the brother's fingers. This is part. This is what the lady. This is the life in the desert. Life. Let's see it. Why is it not dabbing? So. I do not know how I'm going to connect this. So, it's a day. What a wonderful day in the desert. With an Indian girl walking. So, lights, camera, action. What a wonderful day. A girl said, walking through a hot desert. Oh, it's really hot. I need some water. There was very few water in the desert. Guys, I'm very sweaty. And but her mom. And then her mom came. Well, that's someone else's bond.
I assume you guys are finished since this is falling.
What? Other than this. Sorry, 14 minutes.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Oh. Oh no, turn it around. Turn it around, Dad. Okay. So we got this little.
Alright, you gotta wrap it up. You gotta hurry.
Why?
Because I gotta put lunch on the table.
Yes. How for this girl have? Then a bigger person came by. So here, lights, camera, action. What a wonderful day, said an adult walking through the desert. It's so hot today. Yeah, this person she said, and then she decided to build a tent.
What, Josephina? What'd you say, honey?
This is where the person who said it's a hot day.
It's a hot day.
No, this. No, this girl said it. Oh. No, this is the girl.
They both said it.
She's an adult. This is an adult. She's an Indian. Then after she was done with her camp, before she was done, a llama came. Sorry, you don't have to go in the sea. Because she kept building and building and building and building and building and building. It's a hot day. Stop doing that. You're not in the desert fiend story.
No, she said that in a different voice, but then she came there. She came to the desert also.
No, she's too big.
The desert also?
Yeah, but
She's not too big.
do you see the size of this?
She's not too big.
She like completely destroyed.
Then someone
her
dropped her face and it was the table too.
the heck? No, silence. You, just mute yourself. I pull off. I take. You did. Josephina literally put a piece of plastic on the Barbie doll's head. That's it. It was ooh, ow! It's a llama king.
Oh, look, a plant.
It's a cactus.
Bleeding fire. Bleeding fire.
I think it's bleeding, Josephina. Bleeding. I'm bleeding. Maybe it's just like bleeding.
Because she touched
Not
the
bleeding
cactus.
fire. And
Why do cactuses
then
hurt
an
you?
owl lived inside.
Then the Polly Pocket's mother came. It's time to go home.
No, she's an adult. This is an adult.
No, she's too tiny.
No, it's an adult. It's a Polly Pocket adult. Do you see? It's a
No,
Polly
that's the
Pocket.
kid.
No, she's a Polly Pocket adult. She's 20. She's 34 and she's a Polly Pocket and she's an adult. She's 34
But
years
then
old.
why does she look so tiny?
Because she's a Polly Pocket. She's tiny. That's what her world is. The world's tiny.
Then a big person came, and she didn't see her.
Ah. Ugh.
Hello.
I'm not a kid. I'm 34. I'm a Polly Pocket.
Oh.
We live near the Barbie doll town, and every decade, us in the Barbie dolls, we came for a cooking festival, dress up festival, fashion week, and many others.
That's why I came here.
Well, you're in one of the Indian deserts. It's pretty hot in the Indian desert.
Yeah, that's why I said it's a hot day.
Also, it's a pretty small desert, but it's big to already lunchtime. And then as she laid down in her tent, the llama tried to sleep too. And that night,
Then its mother came to.
it's not called it. Why do you say its mother? Why can't you say her mother?
Her mother came and said, "Child, it's time to come home."
I'm 34 years old.
Fine.
I'm 34 years old. We're the Polly Pockets, you know. We were made to be small. That's how the universe made us. Small.
Well, do you want to visit Barbie Doll World?
We're only one planet, you know. You be seeing our town. What about the Barbie town?
Do you want to come to the Barbie town?
Then, after she was laying in her tent, the llama, and at night when she was asleep,
And this
animals
person was hot all night.
no, at night the desert's cool.
But then,
No, the desert is cool at night. That's true.
It's cool at night.
So why is she so hot?
because it's also hot at nighttime.
No, it's not.
Guys, wrap it up. Sign off.
Bye.
Lunchtime.
Bye. What about this?
Well,
I'm gonna go get my phone.
Mommy,
Did he turn off the recording?
I didn't do nothing.
Bye. Say bye, Josephina.
Bye.